Hi everybody, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Margot from My Favorite Quilt Store, and we're here with another Shannon quilt kit. I
Yes.
love this one.
I love Felix the Fox.
He is so cute. So in this kit, you get the top with these two, with the applique and the two strips, the binding and the backing, which is this beautiful orange. But I just love the feel of this. And then you also have all the fabrics to make the stuffed animal.
That's my favorite part.
I know,
love
he's so
the
cute.
friends.
He's so cute and cuddly.
The Cuddle Buddies.
The Cuddle Buddies, exactly.
So this one is actually by Kimberbell, which I know is a fan favorite of ours here at My Favorite Quilt Store.
It is. We like all the stuff that Kimberbell comes up with.
Oh yeah.
So I'm going to put the fox here so we can see it, but let's check out what's inside the box.
So we're going to unbox this kit. It is a 43 by 29 finish.
Okay, so it's
Perfect
a nice
snuggly.
size. Perfect snuggly size.
Yes. So we have our fabric for the main little cutout here.
Fox.
Yes. Here is
Like all the strips.
all of the goodies.
Yeah, the strips that go
Yes.
with it. Yep.
The backing and the binding. And then
Okay.
this is for our little guy.
Yeah, because he's got a little heart on him. And then he's got like an embroidered face that you would have to,
Yep.
you could stitch that in with your machine.
So this is for your heart, for both hearts. There's this one and this one. And then this is for the little fox that goes on the corner there.
Right, that's so it's less, it's more, it's their their regular Shannon fabric that goes on the fox down here, not this fluffy.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Because it's easier to applique.
Something that is really cute. It comes with a little tag.
Oh yeah, all of them come with a little tag that say
Made with love.
Made with love.
I love that.
And most of these quilts that we've put them on, I don't see it on this one, but it was on the last one.
Yes.
Don't know why it's not on this one, but all of them have it usually. Okay.
Yes, so in your kit you will have instructions. There is Cuddle Basics, so it gives you tips and tricks about the fabric you're working with. I know it's a little bit different than regular cotton. It has a little bit more of
A stretch.
yeah, a stretch, and then also just it's a little bit fluffier, so
Yep.
you'll just clean that up right afterwards. But everything comes together smoothly, and then it's not fraying while we're sitting here messing with it once you get it sewn in.
Yep.
So there is all the pieces that are needed, and it breaks everything down for you so beautifully. A cute little book and your pattern as well. And the Kimberbell is also going to go over the pattern for making your Felix the Fox.
Felix the Fox. And so what is so great about this is you get not only the blanket, but you get the stuffy, and what a great gift this is for somebody.
I love it.
I do too. So anyway, we hope you like Felix the Fox,
Yes.
and check it out. Happy sewing.